Hello, my name is Mark Harrison. I'm Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the International School of Belgrade, and I'm here to tell you about our new campus and our new school. And I'll be aided by my Vice Chairman, Lada Lalic, and our Director, Rob Reish. We signed a document on the 19th of May with land developers, which will hopefully mean that in 3 years' time, or in a maximum of 5 years' time, we will have a brand new school on a brand new campus. But our aim is that we will be moving into that new school in August 2021.
It is my great pleasure in the function of the Vice Chairman of Board of Trustees of International School of Belgrade to give you a little bit of an overview, history and background of how we have arrived to the plot and to the campus we intend to build in 3 to 5 years from today. This story of International School of Belgrade and the purpose-built campus dates from already 2010. When we have started this process, which took quite some time, and it's quite a process which requires time actually, because it's not easy in the city of Belgrade to find a suitable location, not only from the size perspective, but also from the perspective of location, good availability, and also that it would fulfill all the legal and technical requirements that we have been looking into. We have looked at the plots in various parts of Belgrade on both sides of the river of Sava. This process also took private ownership and also the ownership of the land which belonged to the state of Serbia. 2015, we have finally narrowed down the list of the available plots, and we have concentrated on the plot of Avala Film Studios, which since then, that means in more than 2 years, we have analyzed very thoroughly. I here again talk about the legal issues, financial issues. We have done several due diligences on the technical side, and we have concluded with all the competencies and resources we have had that this is the most suitable and the right location for us. We also considered that the deal structure we have done together with Avala Film Studios will be a deal structure that will enable the school to have financial sustainability over the long term, which means that once the school is in the new campus, that will be then a transaction that would last for a long time, and that would enable the school to have financial health. All in all, we are very happy that this process has came to a successful ending. We are looking forward to the next 3 to 5 years, and we do hope that if all the administrative processes and all the bureaucratic processes that the investor and the developer has taken to resolve, that in 2021 earliest or latest 2023, we will be able to move into the new purpose-built campus of International School of Belgrade.
Hello, my name is Rob Reish. I'm the director of the International School of Belgrade. I'm here to share with you some information regarding our exciting new campus project. Things that have already been published are the fact that we will be in Košutnjak, on a site that is about 5.3 hectares. We're looking at a full-size football pitch or soccer field within that area, and outdoor basketball courts, tennis courts, and of course play spaces. The buildings themselves will have an indoor size of about 18,000 square meters, outdoors about 20,000 square meters. There will be a cafeteria with a seating capacity for about 300. There will be an auditorium with a capacity for about 280. Average size of classroom spaces will be about 90 square meters. And basically, we've incorporated all of the important features of an international school for about 550 to 600 students. Let me show you some of the specific details that are in our preliminary project design. The entrance level has a large reception area, and then there are office spaces for everybody that's currently located in our business office. There'll be places for the admissions office. There'll be space for the director and various meeting rooms on that level. There'll also be access to the auditorium from that level. In the preliminary project design, the top floor right now is about 600 to 800 square meters of space that has library functions, testing room for the IB, there'll be audiovisual mixing rooms, and things of that nature. On the main floor that has the cafeteria in it, the cafeteria is located between the two wings of the lower and the upper school. and there's an exterior deck that will also have some seating capacity there. The lower school has 5th grade, 4th grade, 2nd and 3rd on this particular floor grouped together into areas, and then on the upper school side we have our science labs, our math rooms, and our language rooms on this floor, along with other office spaces for both of the principals and again meeting rooms. The level below that has the early childhood classes on the lower school wing with the kindergarten and pre-K classes, and then 1st grade and 2nd grade, along with art rooms and music rooms, and shared art space in the middle, including an art gallery for display. And on the upper school section of that wing, I just want to point out that there's also some individual music rooms that would be soundproof for rehearsals, for instrumental and or piano lessons and things of that nature. Access from the main building to the gym will be able to access the locker rooms and the gyms themselves. There's 2 full-size gyms there on one level, and on the level above it, there'll be space for gymnastics and a fitness room and a dance room. As we've mentioned previously, this is a preliminary project design. We feel that we have incorporated all the necessary elements for a first-class building, self-contained, all on one campus, pre-kindergarten through grade 12. But there is lots of room, and then there will be many opportunities for others to provide input beyond those that already have. So we look forward to involving students, parents, and staff in further developing these plans.
After listening to our Vice Chairman and our Director, and from me as the Chairman of the Board of Trustees, I can clearly and convincingly say that when this new school is built, when we have this new campus, we will have the best school in Central and Eastern Europe, which you can all be very proud of.